Hi guys, welcome back to another video, back on Nom Nom, and you're back! I hear you say. Yes, I am. It's been about 3 days now, so let's go. In this video we're doing another cooking recipe review, and this one is a chocolate pudding cake. Now, I'm struggling to actually figure out what the chocolate pudding cake is. I'm guessing it's just a chocolate pudding, but a chocolate pudding cake, but the shape's like a log. So I'm just thinking they've just put it in a cake tin, or a bread tin, should I say, like you would for banana bread, or a loaf, bread. Anyways, let's get to it. Right, just a little side note. This does look sweet and sickening as hell. I mean, I would say tenner to anybody that can eat all of that, but really it's diabetes to anybody that can eat all of that. Skip. What these guys are good. Like, I've not seen one video of theirs yet that doesn't have a sick music beat to it. Honestly, their music taste is on peak. Skip. That looks thick. Straight up thick and clumpy. It's clumpy. I'm sorry, but just watching this, I can feel the diabetes from here. Ugh. Told you it was going to be a bread tin. And it's the big reveal. I mean, I'd be lying if I said I thought the presentation was going to be nicer. It looked like somebody had went into their toilet and grabbed a turd, made it into a log, and then dumped it on a plate. Oh god, the diabetes. Oh, I can feel them. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and leave that video there because it's at its end. Anyways, end summary review. I liked it. The guys were on it again. They had nice clear instructions and they left it so you could see what was happening. So 10 out of 10 for effort, but that is probably the most diabetes thing we've covered on this channel. And it makes me feel a bit ill looking at it. I don't think I would touch it because I would not like to see that when it goes cold. I could guarantee it'll go all firm. So, nope. Plus, I thought it was actually going to come out looking like a pate log. So I was a bit disappointed. Anyways, shout out to those guys, the Cooking Foodie. They've done it again. Please go and show them the attention that they deserve. And please, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Much appreciated. Anyways, see you in the next one.